आज हमें इतने आनंद आया है, इतने आनंद आया है, हम वर्णन भी नहीं कर सकते हैं। इस आनंद को जो हमें प्रदान किया है, उनके लिए बहुत जोर से तालियां बजाइए। Let me tell you, we are very, very fortunate. We are very blessed to be here and be able to hear about Srimad Bhagavatam. भगवान कहते हैं in Bhagavad Gita, I must share that shloka with you. Machchitta madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kadayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. You know what Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita? My devotees, their mind is always in me. They are always engaged in me. Their soul is in me. They talk to each other. What do they talk to each other? Krishna's story, Krishna Katha. That's what Hari Katha. That's what he is giving us. Maharaj is giving us the Hari Katha today. And then what did Krishna say? Kadayantasya mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. So you get so much bliss. You can't even describe how much happiness you get when you hear Krishna Katha. Hari Katha, when you hear, you just can't imagine. So that is the happiness he has given us today, and we are so fortunate to have him here. If it is up to me, I will say he should come here every time. Every year he should be here. Every year he should be here and share with us this kind of nectar. And also let me tell you one more thing. This is a story what he shared with us. The Krishna's appearance today, Krishna Janma. This is the secret. Only in ISKCON, some of us know. Jiva Goswami has given us this knowledge, this special knowledge of Krishna's birth. Krishna is born actually to Yashoda Maya. We always think that Yashoda Maya is his foster mother. No, she is the actual mother of Krishna. That's what he told us today. He shared with us. Krishna is, he was born in Nandagaon. He was born there. And Krishna, who was born, of course, in Mathura, he explained to us, is from Vishnu Tattva. Actually, we also explained that Vasudeva Krishna. And once Vasudeva Krishna was brought to, the Nanda Maharaja's palace, he merged into the actual Krishna. So, that's all. This is a story not many people share with you. Let me also tell you, you may have heard Bhagavatam from many places, from many speakers. This is not the Bhagavatam you will hear anywhere else. You are so fortunate to be able to hear Bhagavatam, the ISKCON way, the way ISKCON actually tells Bhagavatam, how Srila Prabhupada, he expresses Bhagavatam. So we are very, very fortunate to have Lal Govinda Maharaj here and share this happiness with every one of you. I just don't have any words to thank him for the unlimited happiness and bliss he has given us today. So I pray to Krishna to give him strength to continue to do this kind of prachar, this kind of preaching all over the world and enlighten all the people and share Krishna Prema. So thank you very much, Lal Govinda Prabhu, Lal Govinda Maharaj. Please keep coming and keep enlightening us. Thank you. And again, please give a big round of applause to thank him for giving us the nectar of Srimad Bhagavatam so far. And we look forward to hearing some more pearls, diamonds from him today. He's actually in diamond business, I think. So these are not the material diamonds. Material diamonds, they have no value, let me tell you. These are the spiritual diamonds. So once again, thank you very much. And also if you go to YouTube, you'll be able to see many of his programs. Actually, my wife told me it comes immediately. When she is watching from home, she tells me she was watching on the YouTube, and you can see lots of his, the kathas, not only Bhagavad Katha, Ramayana, and other scriptures kind of thing. So if you are interested, of course, you can get those websites.